Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're making this really cute little crochet flower, and it's perfect if you're a complete beginner or just want a quick relaxing project. We'll start with a tiny center circle, work one round of single crochets, crochet the petals directly into those stitches, and then finish everything off with a long stem. It's super simple, really quick, and honestly such a cute little project. For this flower, I used three colors of Katek Pure Cotton: mustard yellow, bright red, and slate green. The whole thing only uses a tiny amount of yarn, so this is perfect for using up leftovers from other projects. I used the 3.5 millimeter hook, but just use whatever hook size works best for your yarn. You also need scissors and a yarn needle. And even though we're just making a flower today, you can turn it into so many different things like bookmarks, back charms, gift tags, keychains, and so on. Anything you want, really. The free pattern is linked in the description box below if you want to crochet at your own pace, or you can just follow along with me step by step here in the video. Let's get started. So make a slip knot and then chain 4, 3, 4, and then join with a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and you're gonna be working into this ring. So chain 1 and then work 10 single crochets into the center ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now pull the end to close the ring. And now join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And because I'm gonna be working petals in bright red, before this slip stitch, I'm gonna cut off the mustard yarn and work with the bright red. So make this slip stitch with a different color. And then for round 2, you're gonna chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2. For some reason I forgot to chain 2 here. Make sure you chain 2 and then work a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 2 again and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 2 and then slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 2 again, work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, work 3 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 2, work a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 2 for the last petal and work 3 double crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2. And from here we're gonna be working on the stem. You're gonna slip stitch but because I will use a different color for the stem, the green one, I will undo this slip stitch and I will work the slip stitch with the green yarn. So undo this slip stitch. Now finish off the bright red and continue working with the green color. So make a slip stitch first. And then chain as many chains as you need for your desired stem length. Mine is 25 centimeters, that is 10-inch long. So just chain as many chains you need. And here I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel because only 21% of you watching are actually subscribed. It really does make a difference, so I'll be really grateful if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm done with the chain here. Now you're gonna skip the first chain and you're gonna slip stitch into the next chain. And then slip stitch into every chain across the stem or across the chain. Once you're done, just finish off, and all you need to do now is weave in the ends and your flower is actually done. Let me know how it went for you in the comments below. This is a really cute project. You can really use it for many different purposes. Let me know how you're gonna use yours. Is it gonna be like a charm for your purse, a bag, or maybe wrapping a gift, or maybe even a bookmark, or maybe you have some other ideas? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.